Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood to day trade. Open the app, enable margin if needed, confirm pattern day trading rules apply, and set realistic risk limits before placing intraday trades. Use small position sizes, clear entry and exit plans, and test strategies with paper trading or low stakes. Monitor news and market hours, and keep a trading log to review mistakes and refine your approach. Start by verifying your identity and linking a bank account to fund your Robinhood account. Enable two-factor authentication, review margin terms, and request options or margin approval if your strategy needs them. Set up bank transfers and understand deposit holds and instant deposits. Organize watch lists for stocks and ETFs you plan to day trade, and customize alerts for price and volume spikes to react quickly during market hours trading sessions. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and can read trade alerts aloud, so you never miss a breakout while juggling screens. It fits on your desk and sounds great during focus sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helps your trading setup support the channel, now let's get back to the video. Learn the order types and when to use them to execute day trades efficiently. Use market orders for quick fills, limit orders to control price, and stop or stop limit orders to cap losses. Consider using trailing stops to lock gains and avoid emotional exits. Know how to enter multi-leg option trades if you use options, and always size positions so a single trade cannot blow your account or margin completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.